How to show real-time network speed on Android device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you can show real-time network speed on your Android device. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the settings actually depend on your Android version. So the really often found path right here is first you'll need to head over to your settings. So let's head over to your settings first. So the most common found path right here is head over to settings and then go to notifications and status bar. Else, if that's not the case for you, head over to settings and then head over to display, and then there you'll find the status bar option. Tap on status bar. So basically the end result will be heading over to the status bar settings, and there you'll find an option that says internet speed or display network speed or show real-time network speed. After you find either of those, all you have to do is enable the button there. After you toggle the button on, you will notice at the top the internet speed currently. So if you don't see it, it can be due to many of the others options enabled. So you can disable a few of those, and after you've disabled a few of those, your internet speed should show up right beside your Wi-Fi. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.